Doing affiliate marketing the right way. You have the power to change your financial future. But I didn't sign up to fail. That's not why I got into affiliate marketing. Statistics show that 90% of would-be affiliate marketers fail in reaching their financial goals. So that's the bad news. But we are here to share the simple things needed to make your online business wildly profitable and fast. Well, what is affiliate marketing in the first place? Okay, we all have the dream to make money online with time freedom, free from the 9-to-5 or a soul-sucking job, geographical freedom, travel or live wherever you want, with money to enjoy it. How much money that could be depends on the person, but most say that $10,000 per month would be a good start. The objective would be to be able to create an automated and passive income. The best way to get there is to work in the e-learning niche and specifically how to make money online space. This is a $235 billion industry and growing. With the power of the internet, people know that they need to upgrade their knowledge, and you do too. And if that can lead to a life of freedom, many are willing to pay for and study courses of people who have done it. Reach a client anywhere in the world, open 24/7, and visitors can take their time to browse your course offers and buy at any hour of the day. Hardly any overhead. Automated delivery systems. Very low cost to access the information of top-level teachers who have put together a course to share their knowledge with short, over-the-shoulder videos and detailed reports. What is affiliate marketing exactly? An experienced online marketer like John Thornhill, Anik Sengal, John Crestani, or Igor Kifets will create an online course to train people in something that they master. It can be affiliate marketing, but also YouTube video creation, email marketing, content marketing, writing ebooks, AI technologies, traffic strategies, and the like. Approved affiliates can earn 40 to 50% commission or more on sales that they would refer to the product owner, and the payment platform that they work with, like ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus, will automatically send your commissions through PayPal or directly to your bank account. Igor Kifets has an excellent and detailed training on affiliate marketing. Check it out. The link is in the description below. While there are low-ticket products like Igor's e-farming challenge course or high-ticket courses selling at $1,000 or $2,000 or more, people who seriously want to change their financial future won't hesitate to invest in themselves and in these online courses for different reasons. An online course costs much less than college tuition. No time constraints, you move ahead at your own pace. No need to be physically present. The teaching is very specific to the subject that you want to learn, no wasted time going down rabbit holes. And the best of all is that you learn from the experience of others to avoid the mistakes that they made during their marketing journey. All you need to do is to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, but where do I find targeted traffic with hungry buyers? Like so many, I thought looking for free traffic was the way to go, but it wasn't all that free and certainly not targeted with interested people already hungry for your offer. No sense spending your time building an email list of people who want to know everything but will not commit themselves to doing something about their dreams. Go after free traffic? Well, it's not free. You soon find yourself spending a couple of $100s per month on tools and, of course, the money to invest in the courses. And what is worse is that the quality of the visitors to your opt-in page, they are quite willing to give their email to be able to download the free gift, the ebook, the video, or access to a webinar you are offering, but they are not buyers. How to waste time and money. I tried Google Ads, cost up to $50 per lead, but lost several thousand just trying to optimize a campaign, and you must wait to get your campaign approved. This is targeted, paid traffic, but you are competing against marketers who have much more money than you. I tried Facebook and got my ad account banned because basically they don't like affiliate marketers. When there's an issue, there's no one to talk to, and the cost of getting a subscriber is out of this world when you have a limited budget, $12 to $15 per lead. You can't build a 10K email list without spending and wasting a lot of money. I tried search engine optimization, SEO, to get organic traffic, but unless you buy high-quality backlinks, it's painfully slow, time-consuming, and quality links are expensive. I also tried solo ads, but I couldn't understand why it was like throwing money out the window if you send the traffic directly to the vendor's sales page. And just getting your toes wet with a 100-click run won't be enough. I was doing it wrong, according to Igor Kifets. It took him a long time to figure this one out. You can also try blogging and YouTube videos, but you still need to get targeted traffic to your website or to your videos to click on your promotion links. And then there are all kinds of social media marketing you can do on X, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and many others, but there's a learning curve to go through. And interruption marketing does work, but most people are not there to buy, but they are there to communicate with each other. So why build a highly profitable email list? Permission-based email marketing gets you directly into the person's inbox, and most people consult one or several times per day. Seeing your emails on different subjects, they finally get to know, like, and trust you. Trust is the key before someone buys. Once you have people on your email list, well, you market to them from then on for free. This is a captive audience. Yes, they can unsubscribe easily if they want, but that just gets people off your list that would never buy from you anyway. As time goes by, you get a highly responsive list of buyers. And someone who is interested by, say, YouTube marketing or building an email list will buy every digital course you promote because they want to know everything there is to know about the subject. What is the best way to fail with affiliate marketing? Did you say not having your own email list? You are right. Yes, but is it complicated to manage the email sequences that you need to send to your subscribers? Well, fortunately, with autoresponders like Aweber or GetResponse, your follow-up sequences are sent automatically. You can set the time and the day. There are many tutorials on both websites to learn to set them up. And the product owner has an affiliate GV joint venture page where they give you all the ad banners and the emails you need to follow up on your future clients. Because the industry statistic is 0 to 2% of sales on the first promotional email. Over the next 30 days, the number of sales can grow to 10% for that product. Just keep sending one email per day so that they remember who you are. But the potential client may be more interested in the next product that you promote. And of course, it makes no difference to you in terms of commissions for what they buy, because a buyer will continue to buy. In his course on e-farming, affiliate marketing, Igor has a template that you can download and follow, which makes writing emails simple and easy. What is the best traffic generation strategy for beginners in affiliate marketing? Invest in premium quality solo ads. These are people who have already shown interest in making money online. They have probably downloaded an ebook or read an article on Forbes about it and given their email to be on someone's list. They already know, like, and trust the email list owner to put them in contact with the right offers. So they are already warmed up and a hungry market for affiliate marketing, home business, or biz opportunities. And you can get a subscriber not for $12 to $50 like on Google or Facebook, but for somewhere between $1.50 to $2 for premium solo ads like that of IgorSoloAds.com. But Andre Amsing, that's me, has been trained personally by one of the top solo ad providers in the world, Igor Kifets, and Igor gets more than 4 million people to opt in on his lead capture pages, and they go through a vetting process to weed out fake emails and bots. AirVision Solo Ads has permission to sell these leads. And we sell these leads to people who really want it. Of course, we are not well known yet, but established online marketers are constantly on the lookout for fresh, hot leads. And AirVision Solo Ads also wants to help beginners in online marketing to build their email lists fast. Since we have low overhead and work from home, we can offer discounted prices. Yes, the same premium quality leads provided by Igor Kifit's organization, priced for startups, depending on the package, somewhere between 50 and 80 cents for first-time clients. Click on the link in the description below. For now, the price will be locked in lifetime for the first 25 clients, but future clients can expect prices to rise. Solo Ads, pay per click, PPC, is the cheapest and the most targeted way to get serious people to consider and buy your offers. The best time to start was last year. Failing that, today will do. AirVision Solo Ads is specialized in MMO, Make Money Online offers, home business, and biz opportunities. But you need the right landing page and email follow-up, and we can help with both. No one knows exactly what the critical mass is for the number of leads you need on your list to get consistent sales. It depends on the quality of your landing page, your follow-up emails, and your offer. But quality leads plus a bit of perseverance makes for a winning strategy. Once you get over the top, it's clear sailing from then on. With every email blast, you have sales coming in. What would $300 per day look like for you, or even $100 per day? Would that change things for your lifestyle? The starter traffic package that we offer is at 300 clicks. Can we do less? Yes, but you need a minimum of 300 clicks to get valid data. Is it fast? In most cases, we deliver within 24 to 48 hours without you spending hours online trying to find qualified traffic. Are solo ads cost efficient? Absolutely. You pay one time and you can market to them over and over again. What are the opt-in rates when people come to my landing page? Well, we guarantee 25%, or we keep sending you leads for free until we reach that objective. But our experience has been closer to 40 to 50%. You can also expect an over-delivery of around 10%. Check us out, the link is below, or contact me at andre@airvisionsoloads.com. Find the money to get laser-targeted solo ads and build your cash asset. Your email list will give you the power to change your financial future. Wishing you all the best. This is Andre Amsing signing off. There's a link in the description to download the ebook. Talk soon.